How can you experience traditional Irish storytelling live? Imagine sitting in a cozy pub in Ireland, the fire crackling, and a storyteller weaving tales that have been passed down for generations. That's the magic of experiencing Irish storytelling live. To do this, you can attend special storytelling nights called Seanchaí events. These are held in cities like Dublin, Belfast, and Galway. They are intimate gatherings where storytellers share folklore, myths, and personal tales. The atmosphere is warm and friendly, perfect for absorbing the stories and feeling connected to Irish culture. Another way is to visit the Seanchaí Writers Museum in Listowel, County Kerry. This museum celebrates Ireland's storytelling heritage and hosts live storytelling sessions. Here, you can listen to local legends, ghost stories, and works by famous Irish writers. The museum is in a historic Georgian townhouse, making it a charming setting for storytelling. It's a great place to learn about the tradition while enjoying a live performance. If you prefer a more informal experience, try visiting traditional pubs across Ireland. Many pubs host storytelling nights, especially in places like Doolin in County Clare or Dublin's Stag's Head pub. These evenings often feature skilled storytellers who bring Irish fairy tales and legends to life. Usually, the stories are told alongside traditional music, creating a lively and authentic Irish atmosphere. It's a chance to enjoy stories in a social setting, just like Irish communities have done for centuries. You can also attend storytelling festivals held throughout Ireland. These festivals gather many storytellers and often include workshops where you can learn storytelling techniques. They showcase both traditional and modern styles, giving you a broad view of Irish storytelling arts. These events are lively and engaging, perfect for anyone wanting to experience Irish culture firsthand. For those interested in a deeper connection, organizations like the Storytellers of Ireland promote the art from across the country. They organize events, training sessions, and community projects. Some workshops are open to visitors, allowing you to learn storytelling skills or simply enjoy performances in libraries, theaters, or public spaces. Traveling in Ireland offers many chances to see live Irish storytelling. Whether you choose a cozy pub, a cultural museum, or a lively festival, you'll find yourself immersed in a tradition that has kept Irish stories alive for hundreds of years. Listening to a Seanchaí or local storyteller makes history feel personal and real, connecting you directly to Ireland's rich cultural roots.